Hi guys, this is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today we have a BYD Seal 3.8S 2025 model. So customer asks for a dash camera, a BYD dash camera. So previously we opened the center console up on the roof, up on the top right here, and we found out that there wasn't any cable. So we have the camera purchased, and now we have the cable. On this specific model, you will not find much on the internet for that specific model for 2025. So we sourced actually where we have to connect this end. So one end goes to the camera and the other one have to go to the module. So we're gonna show you how to run the cable all the way. But our main thing was to find out where is the module that the other end will be connected to. So we found the module. It is on the center console, right down there. You can see the module down there. And the connection is the blue one, so you can see the blue connection right here. Okay, so you have to connect one end right there, down there, and then run the cable nicely all the way up here to meet the camera at the front rooftop housing right there. A clip on bracket over here, so we have to unclip that and remove it. So this is the place where the factory camera will go. You see it is tampered right here. We have to remove that. This is the cover that you have to remove, and then we put the camera right here on. As you can see, there is a small arrow right here. It indicates that it has to go up on towards to the roof. Okay, as you see right here, there is no wire. Now we have to connect our cable. So as we said, one end goes to the camera and the other one will meet the module down there. So we connect the camera cable right here, and now we have to run it all the way down to the module. Pillar cover over here, it is clipped on with a clip, and then as soon you move it out, and then you clip this one and unhook this one in order to take this completely out. And the cable harness, the camera cable will meet the original harness all the way down, and then you drop it behind BA and then run it all the way to we connect the camera cable right here. Put a couple of zip ties, secure it nicely right there, hide it up on roof, right there, and then come right here with the original harness. Put some zip ties so it won't go away, and now we have to run it down here nicely to connect it to the main control module. So we have run the cable all the way underneath the glove box. We secure it right there with zip ties, following the factory harness, as you can see right here. So we secure it all the way to our module, and now we need to go and connect it to the module. Just remember, the blue connector, it is for the camera. Okay, so I have to see the orientation. It should be like that. And then we go in. And we connect it right there. So connection is done. So now we have to put everything back and test it. Okay, before we test it, we have to install the SD card. Okay, let me show you. So in the center console underneath, there is the card slot right here, the small SD card. So we're going like that. Okay, we put the SD card in there. So we press this button for restarting. Give it some time. So you can see right here the DVR, it just came up. So we're going like that. And this is the image from the camera, as you can see right here. This is from the dash camera that we just installed. So we have a win here. So let's put everything back and the car will be ready to go. So we put everything back, nice and tidy, just like before. Everything in place. So we have the DVR right here. Thanks for watching.